Hi, my name is Maria, and today we are going to be practicing an Essene-inspired meditation with a sun visualization. The purpose of this practice is to reconnect with the bright sun and with the divine essence, and to embody this energy into the self at many levels. The Essenes are often known for their mysticism and esoteric knowledge, but for many, and for me, their wisdom manifests as a deep inner knowing, a familiar feeling that brings peace to my soul. The memories of this ancient wisdom are stored within us, waiting to be accessed. This meditation is a simple invitation to connect with this inner wisdom in whatever way or form feels right and natural to you. There is no right or wrong way, only your way. The key is to allow and surrender rather than impose expectations. This practice is about being, about moving through the different forms of experience in the now moment. Your senses are a powerful vehicle for experiencing both internally and externally. Trust and let go. And my invitation is to take a moment to choose a comfortable place for this practice and to find stillness. You can sit or lie down in a comfortable position. And then when you feel ready, you can close your eyes. Keep on noticing how the body feels and keep on adjusting to his needs. And then take a moment to focus on the space around you. Really allowing yourself to arrive fully in this moment. And there is no rush. You can take your time to allow your presence to land in your space. And then you can focus on your breath and becoming aware of your inhale and your exhale. And keep on breathing, noticing the movement of the breath. And then focus on the breath as it moves in and out effortlessly. And as you notice how your breath is moving through you, I'll invite you to bring your awareness at the level of your head. And just noticing what's going on in this part of your body. And inviting in clarity and lightness. And then, as you breathe, shifting the focus to your heart. And noticing how your heart is feeling. And then inviting in a sense of expansion and deeper connection. And then bringing your awareness to your gut. And noticing how your gut is feeling. And as you breathe, inviting in a sense of strength and grounding. And allowing these feelings to reach your feet. feeling the breath anchoring you to the earth, strengthening the connection with your body. And now we are going to expand the awareness of the breath, observing the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each inhale and exhale. And really being curious about this movement, so spontaneous and powerful. And then focusing on a sensation of the breath moving along the spine, through the back of the body, and really moving through, reaching the sacral area. And then feeling the flow of the breath reaching your shoulders, softening the shoulders. And almost allowing an infinite, a lemniscate movement between the right and the left shoulder, finding its center at the level of the throat. And feel the breath balancing the right and the left sides of your body, creating harmony and stability at this level. And then allowing for your shoulders to release tensions or heaviness in this area naturally. And then spreading your awareness to the whole of the body, allowing the whole of the body to breathe, unified and flowing. And really noticing how the whole of your body breathes. And it's starting to find its own unique rhythm. And I invite you to expand your awareness beyond the physical, sensing your energy bodies and noticing how your auras are breathing right now, expanding and contracting with each breath, just like a ripple. And then bringing your awareness back to the air, moving through your nostrils, cool as you inhale and warm as you exhale. And just for a moment, just enjoy the pure sensation of breathing itself. The subtle, constant movement of life force that is now moving within you and beyond you. And I'm going to let you enjoy this for a moment. And I would like you now to imagine a bright golden sun at the level of your crown, on top of your head. And this bright sun is pure and radiant. And with each inhale, allow this sun's warmth and golden light to gently flow down through the crown of your head, filling your body. And then as you exhale, let it expand outwards, surrounding you in a safe cocoon of divine presence. And this sun holds the essence of ancient wisdom, love, and peace. And let yourself receive whatever insights, feelings, images, or sensations arise without force, just allowing. And keep on breathing, really focusing on each part of your body, softening and releasing, accepting and inviting, receiving this divine gold. And bring in a sense of safety and protection in a way that feels right to you, allowing yourself to fully let go and surrender. And just feel the beautiful flow of this bright sun traveling within you and connecting every part of you, encompassing your head, shoulders, and arms, and moving down into your solar plexus, into your belly area and your hips, and moving all the way down, reaching your feet, encompassing the front and the back of the body, the right and the left part of the body, and moving through the upper part and the lower part of the body. And allow this flow to slow down, really enjoying this peace and presence, the harmony that it brings. Allowing each part of you to synchronize and work together. Allowing your heart and head to find balance, your heart and your gut to find balance. Every part of you is sacred. And as your body discovers a new way of being, more harmonious and more grounded, let your limbs discharge whatever resistance or stagnation may be there, or what is no longer needed. And focusing on your body becoming calm and rested, knowing that peace also lives within you and can be accessed at any time. And notice how your mind slows down as you breathe and become more present. And then bringing in silence. And I would like you to allow the sound of silence to come to you. And without forcing, just let it happen. And when the sound of silence have found you, you can also give it a color or shape. And as you feel it, anchor your presence there. And just be still for a few moments, just enjoying your presence. And I would like you to take a moment to appreciate the bright sun that have visited you today. To be grateful for this divine presence that also lives within you, that you can access at any time. Especially when you need to find yourself again. And also appreciating your being in its integrity and wholeness. And then in your own time, just bringing your awareness back to the rhythm of your breath. And then allowing this flow to bring you back fully to the present moment. And then noticing how that feels. And also imagining roots extending from your feet deep into the earth, anchoring you, making you feel supported and held. And then taking a few more conscious breaths, feeling the unity between body, breath, and spirit. And then allowing your presence to start moving the body, gently wriggling your fingers and toes, caressing your face, your hands. Really being mindful of whatever movement the body is doing. And aware of my voice guiding you through this practice today. Aware of the sound of your breath that is bringing you back to the present space, to your space. And then finally, opening your eyes and maybe allowing a smile to appear on your face. And then noticing how you feel. And I wish you to carry the essence of this practice with you and to come back to this space every time you need to. My final reflection for this practice is that I have created this meditation as a pathway to reconnect with the sacred wisdom that already lives within you. And each time you return to it, you deepen your connection to the sun, the sacred sun, the breath, and the ancient knowing stored in your soul. Trust the process and trust yourself. And allow yourself to be supported by the divine. And remember, you are light, you are wisdom, and you are home. Thank you.